Phemex Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. Phemex is a crypto exchange designed for traders who value speed, security, and simplicity. With its user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and a wide range of features, Phemex caters to both beginners and experienced traders. It offers spot trading, contract trading, and zero-fee memberships, allowing users to maximize their profits. One standout feature is the zero-fee spot trading, which eliminates unnecessary costs for frequent trades, a rare benefit in the crypto space. Phemex also supports a robust lineup of cryptocurrencies, making it ideal for those who want access to popular coins and hidden gems alike. What I personally appreciate is the high-performance trading engine, which ensures lightning-fast transactions with minimal slippage. This is a game-changer for active traders. The platform's security measures are top-notch, employing cold wallet storage and multi-layered protection, so you can trade with peace of mind. Their Learn and Earn feature is another bonus, allowing users to gain crypto rewards while brushing up on their knowledge. For beginners, Phemex offers a smooth onboarding process with tutorials and a straightforward interface. For advanced users, tools like leveraged trading, conditional orders, and charting capabilities powered by TradingView are incredibly useful. I found their customer support responsive, with 24/7 assistance available via live chat. However, like all platforms, it's not perfect. Phemex doesn't have a fiat gateway for all countries, so depositing funds might require extra steps like using a third-party service. Additionally, the platform's focus on derivatives might feel overwhelming to pure spot traders. That said, these are minor inconveniences considering the overall experience. In my experience, Phemex is well-suited for traders seeking efficiency and flexibility without compromising security. Whether you're just stepping into the crypto world or are a seasoned pro looking for advanced trading tools, Phemex delivers on its promises. The zero-fee trading option alone makes it worth trying out, but when you add its speed, reliability, and features tailored to both beginners and pros, it's clear why this exchange stands out in a crowded market.